Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to have my daughter do the voiceover for this makeup tutorial because the look was inspired by her and I thought it'd be really cute for her to do the voiceover. So if you guys want to get this look, then just stick around.
So we're gonna start here with some Sailor Moon. Open it up. Look at all these pretty colors. Oh, they make me want to cry. They're so shiny. Okay, so now what we're gonna do with them, first we're gonna do justice. Because I want justice for this. Okay, I'm gonna put it on there very lightly. Yes, how beautiful. Ooh, shimmers. Do it on the other one too. We want matching. We're gonna continue that. And now we're gonna do Tuxedo Rose, just like Tuxedo Mask in Sailor Moon. Yes, we're gonna blend it in with the yellow. How beautiful, yes. It looks like a sunset. Oh, it's so shiny. Okay, now we're gonna do Love. We're gonna blend it in with the pink and the yellow. Do it on the other side too. Just roughly do that. Now we're gonna do this one. How pretty colors! They're all purple-ish. Now we're gonna put that on the edge very beautifully. Just do that. And we're gonna put like a little detail to it. Put it off to the side, a little bit more to the side. Now we're gonna put some glue on here. We're gonna put some little diamonds. Yes. The first, add yellow rhinestones. Put them right in the yellow. Yes. Yes. Put some more glue on it. Yes. Put it in the yellow section. Yeah, that seems about right. Yes, checking it. And more lash glue. So you're gonna use the Lashes glue. Next, add pink rhinestones. Make them shine! Shine! More shine! We need more. Okay. Yeah, we need more. Okay, more lash glue. More! We need more. Now we finally add resistant rhinestones. So I think these are going to be a different color than the purple. Yeah! Make them shine! Shine and make you blind. Okay, yes, we did it on the other side because that'll take forever. You don't want to watch that, do you? Okay, now we're gonna use this. Very pretty, yes. And we're gonna put it over here. We're gonna add a little bit detail. Put a little spike. Yes. And of course, we're gonna do that on the other side like right now. Yes. Yes. Magic. Magic is real, people. Okay, now we're gonna do the lashes. Make them more noticeable. Yes, we're not gonna use any fake lashes. Yeah, I was wrong. We were gonna use fake lashes. Okay, sugar baby. We're gonna put them on there. Obviously, we're gonna use glue lashes. Okay, on the other side too. They look very pretty. Yes. Yes, how beautiful. Yes, gorgeous. Now we're gonna use this makeup thing. Oh my gosh, that's so close to my eyeball. Oh my god. Anyway, we're gonna fix up the cheeks and my nose. We're gonna put it around my mouth. Yes, I'm smiling. Yes, I'm so happy. Okay, now we're gonna use this to fix up our skin a little bit. Yes, just to add a little bit more touch. Okay, now we're gonna blend it in with our brush very roughly. Yes, very rough. So close to my eyeball once again. Yes, careful with the eye makeup. Now we're gonna use this very pretty product. And we're going to put it on the sides for more detail and more dimension. Put it really, really close to your eyeball once again. That's too close, too close. Don't do this at home. Or you can't with a professional. But anyway, we're going to put it right under there. Now we need this to put down our line. our nose. I'm gonna add a little bit of details. And we are going to use this pretty product that looks like a rose. Put it on there, yes, very neatly. Now we're gonna use Tuxedo Matte Rose again under the eyelid. Now we're gonna put this really close to our eye again to make our bottom lashes more bold and easier to see. Now we're gonna do a touch to the line. Just blend it in, yes, to make our nose shiny. Now we're gonna add some detail to our lips. Yes, nice detail. Okay, now we're gonna use this to put on our lips. Yes, to make them look nicer. It's very nice, very shiny. Yes. Okay, now we're gonna use this in a mirror. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna put on the other side too. Careful with the eyes. There. Doesn't that look nice? Yes. Make it shine. Look at the shine. We put shines on our cheeks and highlights on the nose, highlights in the eyes. Okay, see you later. Thanks for watching.